known as a bazooka. They came in behind me. So, once again, it's a team. Here, it's a two-man team. We've got the bazooka man, and we've got the loader. So, they are ready. So let me get close so you can hear some commands, but I'm not going to stand behind it because that leaves a mark. Tap on the helmet, fire! That was just a test.
The emergency.
Sometimes we have a misfire, so fortunately, we have another rocket being loaded right now. When he gives him that tap on the helmet, we're hoping we've got a live round, and if he does, I wouldn't want to be in that bunker back there because bad things could happen. Oh, he was close. Close, but not quite. Well, you can't always win, but still, I think I saw the Germans heading somewhere towards, I think, Jones Beach, but I'm not sure.